Hey, just wanted to do a real quick video for you. 8th generation Accord here, and these armrests have a tendency of kind of wearing out. As you can see, this is my daughter's. We got a hole in it. It's kind of wrinkled up. So this is a very easy replacement. I've already purchased the replacement, and I actually like this one. There's a bunch of them out there on Amazon, but this particular one, as you can see, it actually has quite a bit of padding in it. I know some of them are just, plastic with a piece of material stretched over them. Anyhow, I think this one's going to work out real nice. I'll include a link to this one down below. But yeah, it's a very simple fix. All you need to do is slide this forward, lift your armrest, and then you'll find 7 screws, 3 on this side, 1 in the middle, and 3 on this side to get the cover off. So let me get going with getting this off, and I'll be right back with you here in a second. Okay, final screw, and this just pops off. Out with the old. Sorry about that. And then the new one will just snap back on here. Perfect. Of course, I got to put the screws in it, but there you can see the finished product. Okay, so here's just a little bit better look. It's fully installed now. I got the screws in there. They just went in. No issue at all. The old one, and as you can see, the color match is perfect. Of course, this is a gray one, but you can also get these in tan or black. So anyhow, hope you found this video was helpful, and I know my daughter's going to be very happy when she sees this.